I think I messed up my Wi-Fi again. But wait, what if you could fix it with just a kitchen hack? Yup, foil to the rescue. All right, grab some aluminum foil or an empty soda can. Cut or shape the foil into a curved panel, kind of like a tiny satellite dish. Place it behind your router's antenna with the shiny side facing where you want stronger Wi-Fi. What's happening? The foil acts like a reflector, bouncing more signal toward your chosen spot and less in the other direction. This is perfect if you want better Wi-Fi in your bedroom, office, or even your backyard. No need for expensive gadgets, just a bit of kitchen science. Test your Wi-Fi speed before and after. You just might notice a boost in those hard-to-reach corners. Remember, it's not magic, but it's a fun, free way to give your signal a little extra push. Give it a try and let us know if it works for you.